What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. Alright, we're going. Babe, let's go. Babe, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Come on, Head. Squeeze in. Want to sit up here so you see? Just sit on your butt because people are sitting next to you.
Nixon, what? I gotta get up there too.
Here, I'll help you. Ready? Hang on. Nixon, kick your feet off. No, this way. Put your feet this way. Get off of her. No. Put your feet off the ledge. This way. Off the ledge. Okay, maybe you sit right here. Put your feet down. Sit like that.
Okay, what?
There's people behind you, so don't jump around too much. Buddy, you want to see it? We got the whole crew here. It was a 3-hour tour.
Let me see your picture. Come here. You want to put Hattie up there and get a picture of all the kids?
No.
Take a picture with Daddy? Like to be cheese. It took us that long to get from there to here.
We had to flip it around.
I can see ducks. Yeah, oh, that one. Look at that one.
In the cave, Hud. Let's go in the cave.
I don't like it. I gotta like feel the wall because I don't even know. Yeah, I don't know if I'm like liking that. Because I'm scared of like how big the rocks are. I can't see.
There's a skeleton.
But you can come out this side of the face. See, like, go there, Kylie.
I can't fit.
No, that way.
I'm too big.
Oh, whoa. See what I'm saying? I want to get to the top of the wall. Yeah, there's more like a big pirate's face, a sea of troubles. Look at the treasure, guys.
We pirates face a sea of troubles. Our dying breaths are only. There's some gold. Turn your light off, bro. Your eyes will adjust.
It's not my light, bro. There's just lights in here. Go, Bubba.
Oh, here's your change. I could use a more lively cellmate.
Good job, you scared your baby. Ow.
We survived the cave at Tom Sawyer Island.
Chained up.
We're going up this way?
Dad, have we ever been to a tree house?
Scaring the shit out of
Have
you.
we?
Yeah, that big tree house. I don't think you can go up there. It's probably just for looks.
Oh yeah, we don't
No,
think we can.
let's go see. Let's go see. Don't turn around.
Can we come up here actually?
Oh, they're taking a picture, guys.
Oh, Nate, careful. No running. Made it to the top. Good job, Papa.
What movie is this from?
Excuse me. Come on, guys. Hey, this is where I would sneak up there and hide until the park closed. No one's looking up there.
Probably Airbnb that shit. I'd stay.
What's-
We can climb in it.
You guys want to do the suspension bridge now?
Yeah.
What's in
Hey,
here?
hey, no climbing, guys. The guy said no climbing, okay?
We can.
Because if you guys hit your face, then you were just going to have to leave and you're going to have to go to the doctor.
There's a hole that goes straight down.
Oh,
So no climbing on the rocks. Let's go down. Come on.
that's not play. Dad, we want to find a different tree house.
Different tree house?
Yeah.
So with this water feature,
Look,
dude, isn't that?
I see elk up there, way out there in the water.
What?
There's a moose.
Oh, yeah, there is. He's drinking water.
There's moose up there. We'll go see them from the bridge.
We're going to see a moose, baby.
To be honest, this is the kind of stuff I like doing in real nature.
Oh, careful. You okay, Nixon?
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, bro. Honestly, like the slow walking, waiting in line gets me tired.
Yeah,
I gotta run and shit.
this bridge is dope. There's the moose. You see them? They're drinking water. It's a whole family of them. Wow. Come on, Nix. It's right there. Look, you see them? There's the moose. Way out there drinking water. You see them? There's a whole family of them. See their antlers?
I can see a moose.
Whoa, the bridge. Whoa, the bridge is shaking. Woo! Oh, Maid fell. Sorry, Maid.
You gotta make it across. Let's go.
Whoa, jump. Jump, everybody. Jump. 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 Shake the bridge.
I'm not shaking it.
Oh, look at, there's a skeleton cage in there with skeleton heads. You guys want to go check that
Go
out?
down here. Come on. Let's go check it out. Come on. Everybody. Wait for Nixon and Haley. All right, let's go find this skeleton.
On Tom Sawyer Island, scoping it out with the kiddies.
I didn't see any treasure.
Oh, there's another bridge.
There's treasure in that grotto too.
I didn't see
You
it.
gotta keep looking. Don't give up.
I didn't see real treasure. It was just fake treasure, Dad.
Yeah, well, there's a lot more here. Let's see what's this way. What's in here?
Oh, the cat, there's nothing in here.
Oh, we got a dude working out.
Nothing in here. Oh no, we're
The skeleton
trapped.
heads. Look,
We're trapped.
look. See my tattoo? They're on here. It's a skeleton head. Look, you see it right here.
See, look at. See, I have one too.
We're trapped. I had a stitch tattoo when it went away.
Talking about a stitch tattoo. All right, come on, guys.
We're trapped.
He's like, hey, dude, look at this.
It's like I got stitch, bro.
Ohana
Ohama means family, dog.
Ohana means family, homie.
Ohama means family. Although the stitch. Oh, let's do this little bridge.
We lost Taylor.
Wait, we gotta wait. Wait, girls. Girls, let them go together. They're friendly. Come here. Yeah. Come here, boy. Come here, girls.
It looked like it was coming.
Girls, wait. We gotta wait. They're together. Nixon, get over here.
It's okay if they can go.
Nixon.
Go ahead.
All right, are you sure?
All right, be careful. Be careful. Try not to fall in the water.
Walk, go. Go, Haley. Come on, Haley. Now you can see the moose closer. This is how I feel like when I have a couple shots. It's this way. Is there a tunnel? It's another one?
Can we go in there? There's one way in.
You want? We'll wait for Mike. I don't know if we'll fit. Go. Found another cave.
Does it go through?
Is it a dead end? Yeah. Here, you want me to go first? Come on. Oh, look, you guys can go up here. Hey, you can go up here, Nixon. Look, get up there. It goes around. Oh, we're gonna have a bottleneck.
Sorry, no, you guys, come on up.
Sorry.
I got you.
Should we go this way or this way? Oh, look, Mike, it goes up here. Mike. Megan. This way. It goes up. Look. Hey.
Oh, nice. You go this way.
Just keeps going, huh? You guys
I
go.
gotta do my shoe here.
Shoot. I'm coming. Oh, it's getting tight. We made it to the bird's nest. Crow's nest.
We want to go again. Let's go again.
That was pretty cool. Yeah.
Hey, look, let's look at all the animals. Come here. Look at all those animals.
I want to see a moose.
Look, there's mountain lions. All right, cross.
Look at the mountain lions.
Another one.
There's a lion right there across the river. See him on the rocks? There's two.
Well, there's still more.
Don't climb. We'll fall down.
There's still more of this island to go. Look, let's go this way.
Let's go this way. Come on.
Let's go find what else we can find. Yeah, let's go see.
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, it was tight getting through there.
There's a moose over there in the water.
What's over here? Oh, it's a pirate ship over here, guys. Yeah. Look, this is part of the pirate ship right here. This is part of the pirate ship. It's a broken one. Watch out for the little baby. This is part of the broken pirate ship. Yeah, look, this is the old deck.
Whoa, you want to see?
We want to get in there.
It's the old pirate ship. Looks like you could go into it down here.
I don't think you can.
Down here you can.
Careful, baby. Let's take good time.
Hey, that'd be so cool to have that in your backyard to do like a paintball.
Dude, yeah.
Yeah. Here's another cave.
But you gotta do it yourself. You know how much people charge for a walk?
Yeah.
It's like $1 million.
It's treasure box. Oh, we're going into the pirate ship here. What's up? Oh, there's a skeleton right there. We're inside the pirate ship. Watch out, Haley. This is steps. Let me get you down. Ready? Nixon, come here. There's a skeleton right here. Look at Nixon right here. There's a skeleton. Look at there. He died. It's an old pirate.
Old pirates. There's treasure. There's treasure. They took it already. They left us with no more treasure. They took it all.
Yeah, took it all.
Oh, there's more over here.
There's more.
There's another cave. Another cave. Another cave. It scared me so good. Oh look, we found the treasure that you were looking for. There it is. All the gold. We found it. He said, whoa.
They're like, what? They thought it was only coming from you. And I was like, they got one in the back.
I wish we found real treasure like this.
Shit, what is it, $2,500 an ounce now? Look at over there, there's the Indians. Look at over there, there's Native Americans over there. Look, they're moving.
That's Alyssa's people.
Yep, Chelsea too.
You see the Indians over there?
They're really real. They're really real. They're real. Poop?
Yeah, it's poop.
It's poop.
Don't touch it.
They're real. They're real.
All right, let's go back. Which one?
Here, look at the baby here. Aw.
He's waving at you right there. He's up top. You see him, Nixon? Waving on his horse?
It's like Pocahontas.
Go left right here or what? We can
Where
go.
are they at?
Yeah, we
Okay,
shoot across this way. We gotta go this way to go get Mom. Oh, look at the duck.
Hey, how's it going, buddy?
I want to go on a canoe. How's it going, Duck? Look!
He's quacking, that's for sure.
Look!
Slow down, Lily. Slow down.
Look!
No running.
Look!
Lily, no
Yeah, you
running.
see the Indians? More, huh?
I want to see the Indians.
You can't get over there.